Good morning and welcome back to the classes. In the last few classes, we were discussing about the landforms, especially about the types of landforms. Today also we will continue with the same chapter but with a new topic, that is plains. Already we have learned about the mountains, types of mountains, their formation and their characteristics. And also we have learned about the plateaus, their formation, characteristics and types of plateaus. Today we will study about the plains in detail. First, formation and characteristics. What is a plain? A plain is a broad area of relatively flat land. What is a plain? A plain is a large area with a flat surface. It is a comparatively level surface. What is the shape of the surface of the plains? The surface of the plains are level. And how much it is? Its height is not much, but almost 500 meters above the sea level. Okay, the interiors of most of the continents are occupied by the plains. Almost all the continents' interior parts are made out of plains. While some plains may rise gently inland, others are nearly flat, and some may have rolling or even rough surface depending on the different ways in which they are formed. Depending on the type of formation, the surface of the plains are different. Plains may be formed by the internal earth forces or by the process of denudation and deposition. Plains are usually formed by the internal forces of the earth or by the process of denudation and deposition. Already we have studied in the beginning of this chapter what are the forces which are acting inside or outside the earth which create landforms. Another important factor or element which make the plain is the denudation or deposition. What is denudation? Denudation is the combined process of weathering and erosion. And deposition, what is when the particles of soil is carried by the forces of water, wind or other forces, external forces, they will be deposited on another place, and the plains which are formed as a result of the deposition by the external forces are the different reasons or process by which plains created over the surface of the earth. Now let us study about the types of plains. According to the mode of formation, there are three types of plains based on the origin or mode of formation. Plains are divided into three. They are structural plains, erosional plains and depositional plains. Let us study in detail about these three types of plains. First, these plains lie near the coast. The plains which are found near the coastal areas are called structural plains. They are formed by the activities of water bodies and the waves. They are formed as a result of the emergence of sea bottom near the coast. Second one, erosional plains. The plains which are formed as a result of the erosional activities are called erosional plains. What is erosion? the process by which the particles of soil is carried from one place to another by the forces of running water, wind, etc. are called erosion. And the plains which are formed as a result of the erosional activities over the surface of the earth is called erosional plains. The main agents of erosion are running water, rivers, groundwater and wind. Examples of erosional plains are Upper Mississippi Valley of the USA and the plains around the Aravalli regions of India. Now let us study about the third type of plain, that is the depositional plains. This type of plains are formed as a result of the deposition of sediments on a large scale. The materials which are carried by the running water, streams or winds may be deposited on another plains, and as a result of the deposition of these type of agents are called depositional plains. Various agents of erosion cut rocks and transport the eroded materials from the source and deposit them at some other places. Alluvial plains, which means the plains which are formed as a result of the deposition by the rivers, are formed by the gradual accumulation of silt brought down by the rivers. Example, Indo-Gangetic Plain in India. Now let us study about the characteristics of plains. First, a plain is comparatively level surface of land at a low elevation. The surface of the plains are level and their heights are low. Secondly, the plains formed by the alluvial deposition are very fertile. The plains which are formed as a result of the deposition by the rivers are very fertile, and that is why the people who are living in these type of plains are engaged mainly in the agricultural activities. The best example of alluvial plain in India is the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Third characteristic of the plain is they generally support a very dense population. Due to its physical features, a large number of people are living over the plain. As a result, the density of population will be more over the plains. Density of population means the total number of people living in a square kilometer area. Now let us study about the advantages of plains. The plains are thickly populated areas because they offer many advantages to the people who are living over this area. What are the advantages given by the plains? Facilities for the easy agriculture. It is easily connected. Plains are easily connected with the rest of the world, which means communication is very easy over the plains, and it is easy to construct the houses for the settlements. Secondly, the fertile soil of the plain is suitable for agricultural activities. In arid areas of plains, it is easy to construct the facilities for the irrigation. Construction of wells, canals, etc. for the agricultural activities are easy over the plains. So, in the plains, agricultural activities are easy as well as profitable. Thirdly, most of the big cities are situated in the plains because most of the plains provide a good climate as well as the fertile soil for the agricultural activities. Lastly, construction of railways, roads, etc. are easy over the flat and soft surface of the plains. These are the different reasons why plains are thickly populated. That is the end of today's class. Thank you very much for listening to my class. Thank you.